The crafting nook, the crafting nook, the crafting nook, the crafting nook, the crafting nook. Hello to my wonderful crafty creators. How are y'all doing? I am doing fine. I am Felicia with the Crafting Nook. I think I said that twice. I don't know. But anyway, we're working with some molds and shapes fantasy coasters. Okay. Now let me get my gloves because what I want to do, I want to have another go. Y'all gonna get me. I want to have another go at the peppermint coasters. Okay. And basically because I feel like I can do something a little bit better. And I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna go for it. So my base layer, I'm gonna start off with a base layer. I have some silver. I have 6 ounces. So I'm gonna pour some silver glitter in here. Okay. Get that mixed up nice. It's okay if it's not so heavily done, but I do want it to be sparkly back there. So I think this is great. This amount right here is just enough for what I want. All right. So I've been keeping y'all. I know, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna try to put some in here. Beautiful, isn't it? There's some in there. Some in here. That is so gorgeous. Right? Don't you think so? I think so. I think so, honey. I think that is beautiful. Okay. Put a little bit more in here. A little bit more in here. Let's see what we have. I'm just gonna look to the side and see if everything looks like it's similar in height. That's about all I need to do. We're gonna go ahead and put some in our very small one. Okay. And I'm gonna see, can I just divide this up a little bit so that I won't have any resin wasted. Okay. So I think this does just fine. I think it'll work. So how have y'all been doing? I hope y'all been doing okay, you know. Hope y'all been thinking about saying something kind to somebody. Okay. So that's done. So that's the first part. That's all I need to do. There's not anything else that I want to do to this part. I will share with you my plans of this when I come back. Okay. I'm gonna share with you what's gonna be next. But I think it's gonna be a winner. At least I hope. I'm hoping. Oh gracious. Putting a little bit of heat up here. Okay. Just so that it can go ahead and make sure I don't have no bubbles, no pinholes, or anything like that. Now I'm wondering, do I have too much in there for what I want to do? You know, trying to use up all the resin with the 6 ounces. I'm gonna hope that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna hope that's not too much. If it is, it'll have to turn into something else, and my idea will be going down the, well, not down the drain. I just have to do it another time. All right, so we're going to come back soon as that cures. All right. Okay, I am back, and this is very tacky. It's almost to the point that it's cured, but not quite cured. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next step, which I will be using the Azure Blue glitter. This is the Viva Decor pen, paint pen. Okay, and let's see. Give me a little paper towel real quick. I'm gonna shake it down some. And let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw on this. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. I better start from down here so I can at least try to be nice and steady with it. Okay. And I'm gonna keep going around and around, but you'll get the idea as I start to go on. Trying to hold my hand really steady because I don't have a steady hand. Matter of fact, I need to be turning this so that oh, and I got so much on my table. So much on my table. You know, my little first line was crooked. It's all right. So, all right. And what I'm gonna do when this dries, then I'll take you through the next step. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look what I spilled that I touched. Oof. That goes with my checkerboard set that I've been working on. That was the last little bit of it though. So, okay. Let me go here. All right. And I'm just getting that all over the place. And I'm sure not counting how many little spins I do. So I hope that I have it even. Okay. So that, my friend, is my little pinwheel. Okay. I'm gonna do that to all the other three. Then I'll come back and show you the next step. But let me try to let you see it up close. Okay. That's what we got. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I just had to come back and show y'all, you know, all 4 of them done in the middle piece. But you see how I have it like sitting up? Okay, I should have waited a little, just a little while longer for my resin to fully cure, because it's trying to sink a little bit, but it's not bad. So I went over it twice. That's why they're a little thicker now. So I went over it twice just to make it, you know, do whatever it's gonna do, y'all. And when I come back, you will see what we'll do next. Okay, crafty creators, I am back. It is it's a few days later, maybe about 2. So I'm gonna use the Real Teal by Lorez Expressions, and I'm gonna also use Deep Blue Sea by Lorez Expressions. And I have it already prepared, so y'all don't need to worry. It's already ready, honey. It's already ready. It's already ready. So we're gonna put our Real Teal in first. I better just do it like this. And I put it in I did it so that it will be transparent. It will have a little color, but it will still be transparent. All right. Maybe I should have put a little more color in, but I don't want to mess this up. Okay. Don't want to mess it up. And if you don't want to mess something up, then go with as little as possible. Okay. Now I'm gonna take and go ahead and put the other color, the Deep Blue Sea, in, and I'm gonna see can you tell a difference before I go any further. Not really. You can't really tell a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and add. I didn't add like a full drop. Oh, I'm so scared. That was a drop. Okay. And the same on this one. I will do a drop. All right. So it's some children outside playing, y'all, so never mind them. They just having their good old fun. I'm probably gonna stop the video because, you know, I don't want them to get too loud. All right. So let me see if this is gonna. It definitely should make a difference. Okay. Definitely should make a difference. All right. So let me. Oh yeah, it does make a difference. So I'm gonna try to get it mixed in there so that you can tell that this is a totally different color. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back soon as I get this one done. I'm gonna come back and show you the outcome. So I'm gonna try to get this one to mingle in. Hopefully it will, and you know, it won't be so bad. Try to get them to play nicely. Oh, they're having a good time, y'all. They are having a good time. All right, so I'll be back as soon as I get that done. Oh, it's about to meet right there. Oh my gracious. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I've got all the different color in there. So all we're waiting on now is the top coat. Okay, that's all we're waiting on. And we get the top coat on, we'll be a-okay. So I had to bring you from this level because you wouldn't be able to see like the different color variation. So yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm bringing y'all back just for the top coat. Okay, very simple, just put it on in there. There's nothing to show really about a top coat. Okay, this is 6 ounces that I have here, and I think it's gonna be just enough. Oh, we should have spread it that. Spread it out a little bit. No, and I'm probably gonna have to do a drill a hole because, you know, you can see I over poured it a little bit. But it's okay. It is okay and well with me. Now this top coat don't have any glitter or anything else in it. It's just clear, okay? Just clear. Maybe I should have put a little bit of something in it, but I think it'll be okay. I think it'll be okay. You get in those little grooves and everything. Make sure everything is properly evened out and filled up. And what I'm gonna do, because I noticed that I do make mistakes with the overage, so I'm gonna go ahead and warm this resin just a little bit, let it get really fluid, okay? And then what I'll do is I'll add some more, but that's just all. That's what it is, y'all, with the top coat. And we're back, my crafty creators. I already demoed and did the trimming on this. They turned out nice, okay? You see right through them. They are nice, okay? I'm gonna call these blueberry peppermint. A blueberry peppermint coaster. How about that? um, you can see a little bit of the color change when you put it down against something white, but outside of that, you can't see too much of the color change. But they are okay. They're fine. Don't have no problems with none of them. They're cute. They're cute. Okay. So since I've been keeping y'all so long, that's why I just went ahead, demoed, did my trimming with the pen, and I'll leave everything down in the description. Okay. So y'all listen. Listen, 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 listen. Please be kind to someone. Anybody, please be kind. Say something positive to someone, okay? It helps. All right? Until then, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.